After 5 deaths and hundreds of illnesses linked to vaping and e-cigarettes, a doctor right here in Columbus is sending out a stern message. Thank you, everybody, for staying with us at 5:30. I'm Darlene Hill.
I'm Mark Taylor. The doctor says e-cigarettes are not safe, but some vape users are not convinced here. NBC4's Rob Sneed talked to both sides on this debate. He's live in downtown Columbus. And Rob, you know, a lot of people that use those e-cigarettes feel that it's safer than smoking.
Yeah, and the doctor I spoke with today, he told me that certainly is not the case. He says that e-cigarettes or vaping or whatever you want to call it is just as dangerous as smoking an actual cigarette. Today he says he's not surprised by the CDC's findings. Shops are full of e-cigarettes and e-liquids. You walk on any street and you see folks using them. And so long it has been coined as a safer alternative to cigarettes.
This product was made for adults by adults to stop an adult problem. It was never made by adults for kids. Let's get that straight. We are here to help get adults off of combustible cigarettes.
Dr. Mark Pisa is board certified in addiction medicine. He thinks James Jarvis's opinions are completely off the mark, saying vaping is just as dangerous and addictive as cigarettes.
Different types of cancer, lung disease, chronic COPD. It lowers your immune system as far as picking up other respiratory viruses.
He says vaping should never be used as an alternative to cigarette smoking.
I think now we're starting to see the effect of what people have been saying is in fact not true, and in fact the dangers are quite apparent.
Dr. Pisa supports the CDC's findings. They caution people about using any e-cigarettes, especially those bought off the street. Jarvis is convinced just the ones bought off the streets are causing the problems.
It really is disheartening that you take a product that's potentially could save millions of lives, and now you're putting it out there and it's destroying people's lives.
Dr. Pisa thinks in the long run there will be more deaths as a result of vaping.
It absolutely is dangerous. We've known for years that it is dangerous, and we've been trying to build a case to make it so that we can definitively tell patients that it is unsafe and exactly what the health risks are.
Now, Jarvis tells me he owns 5 vaping stations, and since the findings have come out, he says that business has gone down between 15 to 30%. Local for you in downtown Columbus, Rob Sneed, NBC4.